Isang magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Ngayon ay April 5, 2022. Ito po ang The Stock Market Today. Ako po si Benji Chodoro. If this is your first time in this channel, ako po ay isang retired bank officer na nagsimula mag-invest sa Philippine stock market noong 2007. And I do this report every day, which I started August of 2020. I also report the latest news on your favorite and most active stocks. If you like the content, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. If you have stocks in mind that you want reviewed, please comment on the comment box and I will prioritize. I am not a financial advisor. Anything that I say in this channel should not be construed as financial advice. Ang ating financial news ay tungkol sa ACEN kasama ang ating financial headlines at resulta ng trading sa ating PSE ngayong araw, April 5, 2022, Tuesday, dito lamang sa The Stock Market Today. Okay, so let's start with our financial headlines, and this is from BDO Securities, ACEN and IB/VOIG to set up 1,000 megawatt solar platform in Asia. This is our main news. Glow Cement's data center partnership. M-Wide open to revive NAIA rehab bid. In our macro news, Moody's says BSP rate hikes on by third quarter or earlier, and government fully awards T-bills amid strong demand. So mataas siguro yung interest rates, 91 T-bills is now at 1.38%. Yan po yung benchmark natin for the interest rate with regards to placements. Okay, so let's now go to our main news, which is ACEN. ACEN IB/VOIG plan 1,000 megawatt solar projects in Asia. This is from the business world. AC Energy Corp has partnered with German solar developer IB/VOIG to build at least 1,000 megawatt of renewable energy projects in the Asia-Pacific region, the Ayala-led company said on Monday. The joint venture partners will focus on late-stage shovel-ready projects in Indonesia, Vietnam, Malaysia, Laos, Bangladesh, and other countries in the region, ACEN said in a company disclosure. It said the minimum operational capacity that will be built over the coming years has a potential for future expansion. Under the terms of the deal, ACEN expects to invest up to $20 million equity investment in addition to debt funding to accelerate the deployment of renewable energy in Asia, the listed energy platform added. The two companies will establish a funding platform that will be used for building and running large-scale solar power plants across the region, prioritizing projects that are already in advanced stages of development. Most of the projects will be derived from IB/VOIG's pre-existing projects from its Asia development pipeline that is expected to deliver 5,000 megawatts, with some of the initial projects already slated for construction this year. Patrice R. Claus, President and Chief Operating Officer of ACEN's International Business, said setting up the platform would build both companies' presence in the region. Alright, so yan po ang ating news for the day. And may I just read some comments from our subscribers. And Abu Ahmed commented, "Thanks, sir." Okay, thank you din po. Felino Avines Jr. said, "Thanks po, Sir Benj, for the GSMI review. Mabuhay po kayo." Maraming pong salamat, Felino. "Nice job, sir." Philip OFW Life says. Then Kevin 2K, "Thanks, Sir Benj." Okay, so those are the comments of our dear subscribers, and now let's go to the Philippine Stock Exchange and the Philippine Stock Exchange Index on how it fared today. Okay, The PSEI, moving sideways lang, ano? Pero it lost 7.14 points, almost flat, no? Almost the same as yesterday, pero gain kahapon eh. So nag-end siya ng 7156.07 or 0.10% down. So just slightly down from an upward movement yesterday of 10.33. So it's just moving sideways right now. Yung market indices naman natin or market activity muna, 94 companies declined, 71 advanced while 61 remained unchanged. The all-share index almost also ended flat at 0.41% down. The financials and mining ended in the green while the rest, holding companies, industrials, properties, and services were down. Now, the holding companies led the losers at 1.16%. So, yung ating titingnan ngayon ay mixture, no? So, tingnan natin ngayon si CNVRG, then let's do BDO, then ACEN, then UPB, then tingnan natin yung isang malaking gain, no? DFNN, at saka AT or Atlas Mining. Yan. So, medyo more of the positive side tayo ngayon. So, umpisahan po natin sa CNVRG. Si CNVRG ay mukhang meron siyang dalawang red candlestick here. But today, there was a recovery. But still, the ending or the closing price are still above our moving averages, no? So meaning it's somewhat moving bullish to sideways with our indicators, yung short, medium, and long term are still above the candlestick. RSI is showing some bullish signs at 58. The next is BDO. See, BDO also just moving sideways or slightly bullish, no? With RSI at 55, yung pinaka support ni BDO, let's put it at EMA 100 at 128, while the resistance ay pwede po nating ilagay dito sa area to, so 138.57, but lately it is just, it couldn't break the 133 mark, no? So nasa 133.40 po ngayon. Support and resistance, ano po yan? Area yan, hindi po yan exact price or exact point. RSI is a bit bullish at 55. And then we have ACEN, nasa news to ngayon. So, mapapansin po ninyo, yung short-term indicator are now under the candlestick, which would indicate a possible change in trend. And the medium-term indicator is now under also, which would indicate also a change in trend. And ACEN has been rising since March 24 up to today actually. Although it lost 1 centavo today, ay very short red candlestick lang po. Meron po siyang dividends at 6 centavos. Ex-date was March 31. Payment date is April 19. So, ang pinaka-support po ni ACEN nandito po nasa 783, while the resistance would be here at 969. Yan po si ACEN. And then we have Union Bank, UBP. Yan, bullish po siya, no? And although this is a short candlestick, meron po siyang volume dito. I wouldn't say this is a breakout. Kasi to be a breakout, kailangan malaki po yung candlestick po niya dito, no? At in general, it is bullish already since our moving averages are under, with RSI confirming that at 61.94. Yan po, no? Pero nung March 22, oversold po siya. Oversold po yung RSI po natin at nasa 27.59, ano? So yung pinaka-support po niya nandito sa 87.10, and the nearest resistance I would say nandito po sa area to. Nasa 103.90, and next after that would be here at 113. And then we have DFNN. Okay, DFNN, nagkaroon po siya ng bullishness, but there has been two red candlesticks, and the last one was a red engulfing. Mukhang meron pong recovery po ngayon with RSI at 62.24. Bullish po si RSI. It has been consolidating since December, no? Kaya po yung pinaka-support po natin nandito po sa area to, while the resistance nasa 224 po ang support, and the nearest resistance would be here. Lagay natin dito sa area to at 339. DFNN po yan. Finally, we have Atlas, AT. Yan, moving sideways lang po si AT, pero mapapansin po ninyo, it opened at a higher, no? At a higher price. Kaya po meron pong a small yet visible gap here. So, natin, maliit lang po, pero meron po siyang gap. Okay? So, it's also moving sideways. Now, if it breaks this 714 and it goes up here, ito yung pinaka-resistance po niya at 832. And the support is here at MA100 at 6.59. Yan po si AT or si Atlas Consolidated. Okay. So, yan po ang ating report sa stock market. April 5, 2022. Ito po si Benji Chodoro nagpapaalala. The investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagtangkilik at hanggang sa muli. Stay safe, God bless, and bye for now.